Hey guys, so it is time to do our March Stitch Fix. Now for those of you who are unaware of what Stitch Fix is, it is a monthly styling service. So they'll actually assign you a stylist and you take a style quiz about what you like and what you don't like. You know, maybe you have short arms or short legs, you know, all sorts of different style parameters. And they will send you 5 items per box, and you can get all sorts of different plans. You can get them monthly, you can get them bi-monthly, you can get them every other week, or probably even every week if you really wanted to. You only pay for what you keep, so if you don't like anything, you'll send everything back in a prepaid bag. And yeah, you can even exchange for different sizes if something doesn't quite fit, but you still want to keep it, you just need it in a different size. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So this is my 3rd Stitch Fix now. And my stylist so far has been Jill, and I've been leaving it up to them whether or not we've been keeping the same stylist every month. Now something last month that one of the things she sent me was like, this would pair well with the moto jacket. And I was like, well, I don't have a moto jacket. So that is something that I did ask for this month, which I know can be a little bit pricey, but March is my birthday month. So if it's something really cute, she happens to find one and add it to my box, I might be tempted to keep it as long as it's not too pricey. Let's see. Also, I need to apologize. Spring allergies have officially started. I'm doing my best to combat them. You could probably tell I'm a little congested right now. But we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this video because life goes on, even with allergies. So the first thing I see is our little take a peek card that gives you everything. Well, it doesn't give it tells you everything you got and how they suggest that you style it. So let's see. Happy Fix Day, Amanda. I had so much fun putting together your 3rd fix, and I can't wait for you to see what's inside your box today. I noted from your request that you're looking for the perfect moto jacket, and I'm so sorry I was unable to find it for you this time. Well, that's a bummer. I can definitely keep an eye out for your future fixes if you'd like me to. Since you're interested in spring-inspired styles, I had to start off with this month's fix with the Brina and M blouse. It's in a gorgeous orange color that will surely brighten up your spring wardrobe. Style it casually with the Prosperity high-rise boyfriend jeans and booties, or switch it up with the wedges and the Urban Expressions clutch for brunch with the girls. Have fun trying everything on, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Stylishly yours, Monique. So it looks like they gave me a new stylist, which I had nothing against Jill. I just didn't have strong feelings one way or the other over who my stylist would be. So this is what it looks like all together. And okay, so I didn't get the moto jacket, which I'm a little bummed about, but maybe I'll just keep trying for it. Let's go ahead and see what these things look like. Also, if you heard a small little, it's because Sophie joined me. She always joins me as soon as I start filming. She goes, like, she's napping somewhere, and as soon as I start filming, she's like, Mom's up, even though I've been up this entire time. And she comes and joins me. So let's see this first item. It is a polka dotted blouse. This is cute. And there's this little waist cinch detail and a slight ruffle to the sleeves right here. This is pretty cute, I'm not gonna lie. So far, I am enjoying this. And we'll just have to see how that wears when it's on. For the next item, I think it's a cardigan based on the style card that they sent me. Oh, it's a cute cardigan too. Now I did just get a cardigan in my Spring FabFitFun. So even though I think this one's cuter, but I can't really return my FabFitFun one, so we'll just have to see how cute this is on and see how much it is and see if it's worth it. Ooh, I see a little bit of floral print peeking out at me. I do love me a good floral. So it looks like it's another top. It is a long sleeve top. It's pretty sheer, so I'm definitely gonna have to wear something underneath this, but there is this cool little plastic ring type detail at the front. I do enjoy this. It's cute. We'll just have to see how much it is and what it looks like tried on. And now pants, the boyfriend pants. I do not currently own a pair of boyfriend pants. So I think if these fit and I like them, they might be a keeper. So they don't really have any sort of distressing. They do look like they are mid to high waist. And yeah, we'll see. I feel like they're really in. Like, we're going away from skinnies finally. Boot cut's been a thing for a while. I feel like the next thing that's gonna happen is the boyfriend pant. And it looks like the last thing in here is the clutch that she hinted at. Now, this is very cute. It would be even cuter. Aha, yeah. So what I want her to know is whether or not it came with a chain. It does, because I don't like to carry my purses like this. Like, maybe I will if it's for a formal occasion, but a lot of the times I do like me a nice chain, long chain, so I can wear it kind of across my body. Let's look inside this clutch. There is some sort of a bag. Maybe this is for returning it. I'm not entirely sure what's going on there. And so there's like a little side pocket here, but there's also a zipper at the top so you can open it up and fill it with more things. This is very cute, I'm not gonna lie. I really like this purse. I don't really need a new purse, so, but it's also my birthday month, and I didn't get the moto jacket that I asked for, so I don't know. We're just gonna have to see how everything is. See whether or not I go full treat show self on this box or not. And I will be right back in just a second to start the try-on process. Okay, so first we're gonna talk about these pants. So I do enjoy them. I did have some concerns they wouldn't fit well in the calf just because I have very large calves, or that they would look kind of funky, but I think they fit very well there. And this is actually a pretty high-waisted jean. So I do really like these. My only concern is how much they are. They are $78, which is a lot for a pair of pants. I'm gonna have to think about these. I think they're very cute and they fit very, very well. So I am very happy with these and how they kind of fit into at least these next two items here up top, which we'll focus here in just a second. So this is the cardigan. I really, really like it. I'm just gonna have a hard time justifying it since, like I said, I did just get that one in the spring FabFitFun. And now that we take this off, let's talk about this top, which I am in love with. I love the sleeve detail. Do fun things like this. I do like that you can cinch this tighter. So this was actually pretty loose and I decided to make it tighter. That's just how I like to wear these styles of tops. It is just sheer enough that I did have to put on a cami underneath, but you can kind of see the line as it ends up here. But I don't think that's a bad thing necessarily. So, oh, I do really like me this top. So this is the other top that she sent. So I really like this detail right here. This is way cuter than I thought it was going to be. The fit is perfect. It is very flattering top. I'm just not quite nearly in love with this as I am with the kind of burnty orangish yellowish top that she sent. So I might end up, I may end up sending this one back. I'm not entirely sure, but I love this purse. I figured I didn't technically need to try on this purse, but you know, I can practice holding it like a clutch. But yeah, let's take a minute and look at the invoice and talk about that invoice together. Okay, so the jeans, as I mentioned, they are $78. So I really do like them, but I'm gonna have to think about that one. I'm gonna have to look at my monthly clothes budget for that one. For this top, it is a $40 top. So while it's really, it's cute, I don't know if it's worth $40. That's where I'm at with that. The clutch is $38, which I usually, when I am in the mood for a new purse, I usually go on ThredUp and get something for a bit cheaper than $38. So even though it's really cute, I'm not sure it's gonna make the cut. The it's a burnt orange top, is also $38. This I will most likely end up keeping. This I love. And then the cardigan is $46. If I had kept everything, I would get $60 off, which means the jeans would be almost free. However, all 5 items total is still $180. So that's a lot of funny. So yeah, I'm gonna have to think about that one. If you guys are interested in what I end up keeping, comment down below after this gets posted. I'll let you know. Other than that, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider doing, the things that YouTube likes you to do. That way you can see more of my stuff pop up in your feed, like the thumbs up or the liking or the commenting. Anyways, have a great day.